Oti Baumia. She say no more de abeshe General Secretary. Mo say General Secretary nyina any party ni nyina support Baumia. It is the victim mentality. Because ebima who say party for no buofu. Inti party for no mo buofu no. Yen tem na yen ma abufuo no kra enkosoro more. Inti yen ko kansem enhye o mabufuo yen kan kire o say sa nipa no or the old faces ene beba. But ono no the old faces ni bi ba ne campa no aye flyer. Hey, monhwe asomasi aba me campo. Me campo no strong. Minim se mo hu sa de na.
Oh yes.
Or see old faces in you. But say old face a wonya appointment e wa kufu at the time e be supporting the dia. No aye ho flyer. Hey, monhwe omo supporting me o ne papa. But say old face e support to Baumia de or say chairmansa na support to Baumia omo na gu party no. Enti no mo de omo kwa delegate form pe omo. The question abusa on say nanka won or say chairmansa be support to anka won pe. Anka ope because amewu be support to no why ho flyer. So what I say ampa being be support to why ho flyer. These are all people who benefited from Akufo-Addo's government. But our court delegate one no catch them say oh mo show and Kofi mo benefited from Akufo-Addo government. But let me tell you one thing. Ade ba ko ni say ono mo a omo pese omo pamo Yura Mahmoud Baumia. There's one striking commonality. That striking commonality is a baby I won't name me tino, a honor person better. Will they pay attention? Baby I won't enemy yet. Or Mufi say me ne wono. Yen na ye who say ye MPP face. Inti ese mo sorry na yen so
confused kakanti na me pesa me de kan no yi ni nyina no. E ka se ono nya ne penso e na obeji LGBTQ no atum. Na do kan ye se enye ono ne penso na obeji atum. Me tie ye na wo kasa like press conference I don't know how it was. E wo TV so. E ma me tie ye. E ma ne bogwa because na man for the tage no pa se Nanado support to gay ni ma ne ma the gay back country no mo yes nti oyi ano. Enti say yes question kwaya na ye beside dia. I'm a little bit confused because nipa na wono ogina ho a wo kansa na ye den na mo san kan say nanka no be sign na mom say ni say no I don't get it well. Thank you.
Me that's it. Aye dia nsem ekoso wo obese social media ha no ye chemo ane ye de ebisa mo nti no munyi ano maye.
Mama me so boy.
Debi munya abotre no.
Debi of Black Kofi na so me friend na Black Kofi Tonto. Kofi.
Kofi Tonto na kami bisa na asemo.
Oh okay.
Oni ona bu na
the question no fam na say omo yi anu na omo yi anu.
Acho bia mute no ho. Na yen one by one. Ye wi ya Kofi Tonto so. Ye bisa kwasi ni bomu say na ye nya anu ye. Ye ma honorable Alexander Sam George.
And then you want to power good for good.
Debi uche. Ye pese the new right. Ye pese the new patriotic party no. Ye nya the strong men. If you say in some of my count the new patriotic party so no eso. Ente honorable Manenko.
Let me say, sir, question we. I know because you to me can say some judge you know we are true for intimo. Yes, so you better than a true for. Near minimpa sir LGBTQ plus. In my earlier response, they say tamuna bill no ye pass no. unfortunately, there were court actions against the bill. My presidency, who do want to sign in, assenting to the bill until about December. Yet to about answer court issues in ND. Now between December, that transitional period into time, the fee abemo 6 January 2025. Minukari ami woman is woman is the reason tia president assented no me. I mean to me because I'm your true for into no me chat I don't know. It I may friend Kofi Tonto say if maybe
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Kofi. Good.
Me,
Me pa Kofi. Kofi.
Oh, how? Yeah, no, how?
Okay. Me pa the Caesar or say an honorable or say because in some course was social media because you how was some George a champion LGBTQ Z equity Z and one sense some no man look like say MPP percent edutum esan sika benyanti nkofo di kan sama sebe Ghana fo bi tuma omo ye bibi omo ndokun mu anase omo hwehwe eniema mu ehu sa asem omo ka no se eye nokre nkrataa bi wo a kire sa asem omo ka no eye nokre na se enye nokre omo kan sem we nyina na ebegu Ghana fo tiri mu enene na nyina no ebi mu kra adwen kire omo se na ye late president and I say abanye etwem kwana na ekufu ado ye president ope sika obenya ntino ena no sign na ye bisa say asumimi bisa say ana ye bisa say edie nti ena na ekufu ado one sign sa LGBTQ+ no one sign sa bill no
Honestly, and not dear, to be honest with you, no. I think that no one and Caesar can say Sky at the court. A gentleman be a no city. At the court say
My point of correction, who can say the late president, me pacho, any late.
dem pacho
Former.
sorry
Me ku na do mame.
oh me pacho odo mean to me that bemeda our former president Nana Ekufu Addo Dankwa me pacho no a odo me yi ano makani
Now you are talking.
thank you to pacho black ofie enko
yeah, so I'm saying that what they call Richard de la Sky at the court said the law as it was now constitutional. Looking at some aspects of it, now he felt like a bit invasive. I think the against unnatural carnal sex. Male to male, female to female, anal sex near there. But there is practicality of the law, no, must make sense. It is okay say be a obi use toy. Now obeko akochina toy no obeko ni room na akochina na said. So what I say. So some of them, I think, the last guy raised some concerns about it. And no, and a man, Mampenyin so felt like say, let's go through the legal processes. Now you say Mrana Yedebano. It makes sense because Mrade, you can be say, any painting and ranting here nipa. It is a the law must make sense. But the general point I know Kufuado me reference here and say enye ne penso na Ghana beji se bi oba na bema ne bema atum. No kwasem no so say ne penso bibia sa anye den. Ensi.
Nya gay freedom cry. Gay freedom mananu ya no mbe celebrate gay freedom. Oh, independence way.
Oh yeah, exactly. Bibia sa anye den. Ensi. Intino me tie Ope, one of the strongest critics of homosexuality, me one. In fact, one of the reasons why I me Democrat cry me jai sa party no cry join. Yes, our money man. Because they took it to the extreme. To the extent sebe obakra ko school afi no oba no betimi akofa su ne ban bi a wo ma no no oba no omo ka kire wo say wunni right. Give her the whole DC, so you know what Virginia, so you know what I'm talking about. Emma Virginia cra case BC a bi call obi also ye hwan call bathroom.
Yeah. First, school and me wom, and I say can't see me wom. Omo de court. Omo lose one. A court Supreme Court. Omo lose still. Omo de ko because omo say oba say me oba na me call bear no. I will say me call bear my bathroom.
Bathroom mama.
Yeah, omo lose twice, but they are still pushing.
Yeah, so even Loudoun County, more richest county, and so the same issue. You see, the point is, I say omono, and yes, ebia right in pono more pill. They want to even change your views and our lifestyle on the issue. And by force, whether you like it or not.
Also, Jitum.
It can be very irritating and sometimes, or most times, very disrespectful. And I mean, the fact say, omutimi dane nokre any the omutimi dane nokre butu. Because almost say emotions should be superior to truth. And the mimi Kofi Tonto is a mekase metimi awo ba. And now say mimi emotions catch them say metimi awo ba ntino. Esi to no kra e kire se be ma ntimi ngo no to nchen. Na ye gitum se Kofi Tonto betimi awo ba. For me, the level of absurdity nani pebi ti say yura President Obama mo so ni ade no. Ni nyina aka ho bi na mse look. I'm leaving this Democratic Party crying up and baby. You know, because when Obama came, I supported them. Largely, I was a Republican until so Obama buy and I'm a call that side. But say Obiti say Ketanji Jackson, a Supreme Court judge, cannot even define who a woman is.
Nancy Pelosi went even define who a woman is.
Yep.
Obia wo be Supreme Court judge awo ye oba ye de wo betena ho say wo ye oba mfa Biden appointed no appointed wo say wo ye oba tuntum nti na wo appointed. Now betena na ebusa say hwan ne oba wo say you can't define oba. And Michelle Obama won 70 for me. I'm one of the strongest critics of it.
Okay.
The point that I'm making is that MPP stood our grounds to make sure it wouldn't become an accepted norm. I mean, look, IMF, they insisted, say, maybe. In fact, there was a time, just a pressure about a buying so the pressure. Say, even support no cry, no. Say, LGBTQ no one to more. And no cromompany. But the bottom line is abanu etimi jina ne nan so protect Ghana for more moti as look. On my Ghana interest far greater than sebi obana oba ebeda. Adan Mure fi say Kamala Harris ba ha some obeka Mure fi asema President Akufo-Addo kache.
It's kaipa.
Enti no MPP de enye da say ye beje sa nema no ato. Na omo na obi be se ebu aka omusim. But ni nyina no yenya abotre in God's time bibia be community. Hwe enimguase aban we age eba conflict ho a omo achi enimguase omo de boko entoko politics. They say the enya boko no nko na agu omo anim ase o. solar tuna kaba entokwa esi wo honso abegu omanimu ase asem bia omo bi omano kan ye de ye politics bia adane abutu agu omanimu ase enti de eba no e chen so nti ayabotre na ese ye den yenya they are still in the goodwill space enokra no Imani Ghana research on media bachelor say goodwill no dwindle big time from February to September. Goodwill no dwindle. And one of the major highlights in here, Ghana for say they are hypocrites. Ghana for have begun to see say, and they are highlighting the hypocrisy, their inconsistencies. Ghanaians are beginning to see. Osha report na Imani sentiment report in here. Imani send the crawlers on the internet, so basically digital crawlers, to pick up on sentiments. And someone Ghana for yeden eka any omunsusu ya ne omadwene. Inti ufa February na sentiment ni positive pa ma. But ebedru September die omode abai. First no by June na fe abai 50-50 Ghana for half or so omo okay. Ghana for half so omo okay. By September Ghana for dodo ane say enema nkoyi. They are not happy with their hypocrisy and their inconsistencies and their injustice. So enema dane na mrepemu